Hi everyone, got my new camera set up. I hope it's good. I don't know. It's a guessing game. What can I say? So I've been reading a lot about the camera. That's, oh yeah, getting too old to change. You know, there's lots of changes. And I don't like changes much at all. So I don't know if this is going to be a good quality, what it's going to be like. I'm just looking for the stuff I've been doing. Give you a quick little update. Oh gosh, I've got my desk full of camera equipment and oh, here they are. All this stuff is on my desk because I've been making little envelopes. I haven't glued them yet, but I've been making little envelopes out of book paper. I thought I'd throw them in the tea dye next time I do some tea dyeing. And what else have I been doing? Oh, I did this one. Yeah, I thought it was kind of nice, but see, it's not tea dyed, so it's kind of boring on the back. So I'm going to maybe throw that into the tea dye. I was making some little tags. Yes, I was. And take these out for a minute. I made this out of these little bags. They're, tell you what size they are. They're about 4 3/4 by 7 3/4. But they make cute. Tag bags. Because all I did was just fold this up, you know, like this, and then I added scrapbook paper to the front, and so you've got a spot here and back here. And this, I was making these tiny little bags to hold my little tags I'm making. I'm out quite a ways. I'm just going to bring you in just some. Yeah, I had to lower the camera. It was way up there. Whoa. And that might just be a little bit too close. I'm not used to this yet. So, yeah. So I made these. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. I don't think I have autofocus on. Maybe if I do that. Yeah, I might. I don't know. Oh, it's going to follow it. Forget it. I could turn that off. Yeah, it'll just go all over the place and just follow that along. So, yeah. So then I made these tags that fit right inside. I'm sorry I'm yawning, you guys. It's 2:38 in the morning here. I've just been going nuts with this new camera because I don't know. I've got it on, everything's set kind of on auto right now, and I'm just testing. I'm going to see how it turns out. And I don't know. I might have to go to a different setting where I have to do the manual settings. I don't like that idea. I'm not really good at it. So, yeah. Look at this. Look at a mess. I was also making some little like corners for books. These are really kind of cute. I have it upside down. It's kind of like that. And yeah, I was trying different kinds. I got some on my, I bought some from the Cricut America. So, you know, I've been doing so much and canning. Wow. I've just been busy, like just in the house, canning. I just canned some onion broth. Excited about that. You can use onion broth in anything, in even replacing chicken broth or beef broth. So I got 7 quarts of that plus pints. So I got 7 pints. So 7 quarts and 7 pints of onion broth. And yeah, I was quite happy about that. So my pantry is coming along. It's building. It's building. I've been watching a lot of canning videos on YouTube because I used to can with my mom years ago. And she only ever did water bath canning. So we canned a lot of fruit. Yeah, she just canned basically I think geez, she used to can her pickles. See, back then there was no such thing as a pressure canner. So I have a pressure canner now and a water bath canner. So, and they both, I use them both every time. I just like to sterilize my jars in the water bath canner, and then they're all ready to go for the pressure canner. So yeah, that's another story though. It's not art related at all. Let me know in the, oh, I'm still yawning, you guys. So let me know in the comments if you would mind me doing some canning videos, because I would love to, but I don't want to, you know, turn anybody off by doing something that isn't really art related. I don't want to set up a new channel just for that. So I did set up another channel, but it's too much work to try and do both. Like, it's crazy. Yeah. So I'm just testing. We'll see how this turns out. And hopefully we'll be doing lots soon. Bye for now.